PENGU price prediction. In the last PENGU price prediction, we predicted this pump and the dump that we've had. We've been waiting for a flash crash in October. We've basically had that pretty much every year. Last year was very bullish, but because of pump funds and basically creation of a lot of coins, we had a lot of positive inflow, cash flow of money coming into the market. But now the question is, what is going to happen right now with PENGU? So there are a few bullish things. Obviously, this video is no financial advice. But first of all, as you can see here, we have 6.2 bill buyers, 6.1 bill sellers. So around 0.1% more buyers, around 5% more buyers here, and around 15% more buyers here. So this area right here is an accumulation area. So right here, what we'll see is money slowly coming into the market and trying to go for basically catching up people that are trading on the 5-minute, the 15-minute, going after their stop losses and grabbing each liquidity, each dump, like the dumps right here. And I do believe that we'll have this zone, which is a 20-ish% zone, will be the accumulation for the next leg up on PENGU. If you want to learn a little bit more about me and my strategy, I'll have links in the description down below. And also